Hello beautiful people all around the world. I want to tell you today about Rainbow Yoga. Rainbow Yoga is all about connections, and I know that we are in new times. Most of us are staying at home now, trying to keep each other safe from this coronavirus, but more than ever we need those connections that Rainbow Yoga can give us. We need those connections. We need to love each other. We need to come closer to each other, and maybe we can't do it right now like before. We can't do it physically, but we can still connect in so many ways. We can connect by doing yoga together, by breathing together, by being mindful together, by sending each other love and kindness. And I am here to help you with this because we have this amazing Rainbow Kids Yoga online training where we learn how to do this and how to share all of this with the world. Right now we can share it online, we can share it through live videos, we can share it through recorded videos, whether it's on YouTube or Zoom or Facebook or Instagram. But when this time ends, when we are back to be able to connect with each other in a physical way as well, people will need Rainbow Yoga and Rainbow Kids Yoga more than ever. And I hope you can be there with me to share this gift with the world. So please check out our online Kids Yoga Teacher Training. We are offering now a 7-day free trial so you can see if you like it. I'm sure you will. And we also have a 12 months payment plan to make it easy for you at those special time, at those changing times. So I hope to see you there, and I send you lots of love. I hope you are safe and happy in your bubble, your safety bubble. I love you lots. Goodbye.